How to buy Solana on Bybit. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can buy Solana on Bybit. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. First step, open up your Bybit. Be sure that you're logged into your account. And after that, you can then head over to the home page on the bottom left. After you've done that, you can simply find Solana right here under the hot section, Solana coin. Tap on that. And now you can simply buy it. As you can see, it's starting to drop. And yeah, it's basically that. So whenever you want to buy it, you can see the graphs and everything to analyze the coin. And yeah, finally to buy it, tap on the buy button. Choose the quantity of the Solana and how much money it's going to take. Then finally tap on buy and you'll have bought your Solana. And that's how simple it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.